What's up, guys, and welcome back to another GNCRC video. Today, guys, we are back on the ARRMA GRANITE GROM. So today, guys, we are going to address the steering slop. This is not good. See how much that moves? So the parts I'll be using is this one from Vitibond. This is going to be the steering rack. And I'm going to also use the ARRMA adjustable steering links. I was going to go with something different, but I ended up getting this from my local hobby shop. Shout out Brad with RC Outlaw, as well as David with D&D Power Sports in Olive Branch. He grabbed these parts and told me he had them. I had been waiting on the other ones, but he got this one in, so I just went ahead and grabbed this. We're going to go ahead and get these put in, guys. As you know, to get to any of this stuff, you have to take all the screws out. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 screws that you're going to take out. I have already taken them out, so we're just going to jump right into it. Pull that off. Quick tip for the guys that hadn't taken one off yet. It is a sticker right here that you do have to cut to get that all the way out. So I just slice right across mine. So to take this steering rack out, I'll figure out the easy way for me to do it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the links out first from the wheels. I'm going to detach that from the wheels. We're going to take the pins out, which are here. That's what they look like. The rack looks like it's in a couple of pieces. So we're going to take it loose from the servo now. I'm doing this with you guys. So this is the first time doing it, but I'm pretty sure it just comes loose like so. I don't know if we can just get one side and maybe take it completely out. Let's just see. Voila, the rack is out, along with the links. We're gonna get the Vitibond rack in first. So you're just gonna put it back in the same way you took that one out. All right, guys, so we have everything installed. Not a big fan of the adjustable links. I should have gone with the just standard ones that are metal, aluminum, which I did. I ordered them, and for some reason they were lost, so I went ahead and stopped by the local hobby shop and picked these up. It's a little bit out of line, but that's not anything I can't fix without this tool, so I'm gonna go ahead and get that lined up. It's actually not that bad, but it's not where it need to be. But let me just show you the results. It's not what I wanted. It's better than what it was. I think the aluminum one would be better here, and then if I went ahead and did the aluminum hubs as well. And I think that would stop some of that. And I could be wrong. A little bit of it might be in the servo as well. I'm not really sure, but as of right now, we're going to kind of roll with it. It's been a long time since I had this thing out, since the first time. But I'm going to get these adjusted. After I get this adjusted, that's pretty much going to be it for me addressing the steering. Okay, guys, till next time, this is GNCRC. Thanks for watching.